Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore how artificial intelligence, AI, and automation are transforming the work environment, freeing up time for employees to focus on strategic and creative tasks. The image highlights how these technologies are enabling reduced operational burden, improved efficiency, and fostering innovation. If you want to learn how these tools can help your company become more competitive and creative, stay until the end of the video. Automation significantly reduces the time spent on tasks such as data entry and report generation. The image illustrates how tools such as Power BI and Tableau automate report updating, freeing up man-hours for higher-value activities. A marketing team uses Power BI to generate automated campaign reports, saving time and improving accuracy. AI ranks resumes and selects the most suitable candidates. This allows recruiters to focus on evaluating specific skills and talent retention. AI makes it possible to predict market trends and customer behavior. The image shows an example of a retail company that adjusts its inventory according to forecasted demand. The benefits are improved decision accuracy and the avoidance of problems such as stockouts and overproduction. With AI algorithms, companies analyze real-time data to identify bottlenecks and optimize distribution routes. This not only reduces costs, but also improves the timeliness of deliveries. Freeing employees from routine tasks allows them to focus on developing creative strategies. The image shows how a marketing team automates social media posts and spends more time planning innovative campaigns. Centralizing data and analytics through AI fosters cross-departmental collaboration, enabling the development of solutions based on customer feedback. Coca-Cola implemented AI chatbots to handle queries, allowing the support team to focus on complex problems. The result was a 30% reduction in repetitive tasks and increased customer satisfaction. Unilever uses AI to automate the early stages of the hiring process, saving 100,000 man-hours and improving the quality of hires. Automation and artificial intelligence not only improve operational efficiency, but also free up valuable time for innovation and strategic planning. Companies that adopt these technologies can transform their work environment and achieve sustainable growth. If you want to implement these solutions in your organization to free up time and boost creativity, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultation. Together, we'll design a strategy tailored to your needs. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.